The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, central Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Binger, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, Union City, Binger, Calumet, Luqueba, Kogar, Concho, and Cedar Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Norman, go spin it over. Burr!